efficiently sorting a Numpy array in descending order? I am surprised this specific question hasn't been asked before, but I really didn't find it on SO nor on the documentation of np.sort. Say I have a random Numpy array holding integers, e.g. If I sort it, I get ascending order by default. But I want the solution to be sorted in descending order. Now, I know I can always do. But is this last statement efficient? Doesn't it create a copy in ascending order, and then reverses this copy to get the result in reversed order? If this is indeed the case, is there an efficient alternative? It doesn't look like np.sort accepts parameters to change the sign of the comparisons in the sort operation to get things in reverse order.
Temp column -1 dot sort sorts the array in place, whereas np.sort temp column -1 creates a new array.
For short arrays, I suggest using np.argsort by finding the indices of the sorted negative array, which is slightly faster than reversing the sorted array.
Be careful with dimensions. Let full reverse. Flip changed in 1.15, previous versions 1.14, required access. Solution, pip install, upgrade numpy. First dimension reversed. Second dimension reversed. Testing. Testing on a 100 by 10 by 10 array 1000 times. This is mainly due to reindexing rather than argsort.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.